Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change wallpaper in your Realme C51. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Realme C51 and you are wondering how to change wallpaper. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Realme C51 settings section. After click over there, you need to scroll down and then we will see something say wallpaper. You need to click over there and then you need to click here change wallpaper, and then we will see skin appear just like this. If you decide to set wallpaper preloaded by Realme, you can click here on device wallpaper and we will see there is a bunch of wallpaper preloaded by Realme. You can easily set any of them. For example, I would like to set this wallpaper. After set this, it's going to be preview how this picture is going to be looks like in your wallpaper. So if you click here this check mark, it will give you option, do you like to set this picture on a lock screen, home and lock screen. So let me set this picture in my home and lock screen. Now we will see if I go back and we will see in my phone it's going to appear new wallpaper, which is really quite interesting. So within this simple way you can easily change wallpaper in your Realme C51. Now you might be had a favorite picture and you want to set them in your lock screen in your wallpaper. So for that you need to click in your Realme C51 settings section and then to scroll down and then to click here wallpaper. After click over wallpaper, you need to click here change wallpaper, and then in this time you need to click here my photo and it will give you this kind of a skin. You need to click here allow and we will see the camera folder, and from here you can easily set any picture you want. For example, I would like to set this picture in my lock screen, home screen. So this is how the picture is going to be looks like. So if I click here this check mark, it will give you option, do you like to set this picture in your home screen, lock screen, or home and lock screen? I would like to set this picture in my home screen. Now you will see it's going to appear in my phone new wallpaper. So within this simple way you can easily change wallpaper in your Realme C51. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.